Hello mga bay, good day to everybody. Welcome back to our channel, Mr. Yods Tagalaya Outdoor. We are here at the NSR River. We do summer fishing of 26. Alright, let's go.
Huli mga bay, huli. Wala. 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 Yoy, sardon. Oh. Wow. Oh. Oh. Wow. Sardon mga bayo. Grabe ang laki. Woo. Sardon mga bayo, ang laki. Ah. Oops. Ang laki. Naliwan mga bay. Sardon sa siguro to. Oh, ang lakas. Oh. Ops. Oh. Sabi malaki to. Ay, grabe. Oh. Lah. Ay. Yan oh. Sus. Mas malaki to. Uy. Bawal ito kainin mga bay. Ah! Grabe. Laki. Uy. Sus. Ay. Asa ka na? Dahan na mag-star dyan. Uy. Wala, basa. Basa na yung ano, pamidyas. Grabe. Dalawang bisis. Grabe ang lakas lumaban. Alright. Let's go. Oh, sardon again. Bad. Yeah, 4 in a row. Start na naman. Oh. Oh. Start dun ngayon. There's a lot of start dun today. Uy, teka. Yun, layo.
What kind of bait are you using?
Worm.
Oh, wow.
I'm leaving, so
Okay.
yeah, nice. I just catch right. Just you'll
Oh
be
yeah. Where were you casting?
just right there.
Oh really?
Yeah, I catch 4 diving.
Nice size ones?
Yeah, the other one, you don't have the big one like this, or
Just little ones.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Well, have a great rest of
Yeah,
your
what
day.
bait you? Worm?
Yeah, we are using worms
okay.
as well. Just trying it. I've never river fished, so
Oh yeah.
we're just testing it out. Have a great day.
Yeah, yeah. So, both of you, have a good day.